did working for the Singapore Straits come to pass? Anong nangyari?
Oh, what happened was that Bogie Ruiz was already working there. There were Filipinos working there already. Bogie was set to come back here to Manila because he wanted to focus on his painting, which is what I wanted to do as well. So parang war chest, we would like to just save enough, then go back to Manila, do our
So,
yun talaga yung passion, to paint.
kindred spirits, in other words.
So, ang instruction niya ng mga employers namin sa Singapore, sa akin would be pa lang would be kasi wala pa ako doon. Instruction sa kanya, okay, if you're leaving us, could you recommend someone who is of your caliber? So, he thought ako yon. So, ako yung replacement niya. So, parang this is parang na talaga, efficient talaga yung mga Singaporeans. So, parang, okay, para hindi lang ma-disrupt ang aming, ang how we do things down here, up there, or down there. Kasi nasa taas tayo Pilipinas. So, walang disruption. That's what they, they prescribe Bogie to look for someone who could replace him na kasing taas ang caliber niya.